Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys saw earlier, I prepped some pot roast for dinner tonight. It is a really chilly, typical fall morning here in Sonoma County, and so it's foggy, it's cold, and Liv actually requested pot roast, which is so perfect for today because it's gonna be a nice chilly morning and evening. Like I can already tell, tonight's gonna be pretty cool. It's supposed to heat up this afternoon, but for right now, Crockpot dinners have been life-saving for me. I've been in a psoriatic arthritis flare for the last week, and so my body's just really tired by the end of the day. So making sure to prep dinner ahead of time, that way I don't have to make dinner in the evening, is life. We love that. This is a SIBO gut-friendly recipe. I will leave the recipe in the description box down below for you guys. It is super simple. It is so delicious. I highly recommend. If we're gonna be like honest real life, it's like super messy in the kitchen. I need to clean up the kitchen. I need to take the dogs for a walk. Yeah, I actually really need to take the dogs for a walk. So we're gonna go for a walk and stay tuned because later tonight we are going to make a delicious, healthy caramel popcorn, and we're gonna enjoy some popcorn by the fire, and I am so excited for that. If you guys just need a little bit of extra support and love during the holidays, how to build your mental health toolbox, how to set yourself up for success going into holiday parties, how to continue your health and fitness journey even through the holiday season, go grab the Holiday Survival Guide. It is going to be your best friend, a great resource, and something to lean on when you need a little extra love and support during this holiday season. So grab that. It is listed in the description box down below for you, and I need to get these dogs out for a walk right now. So let's go.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home.
Something I've been focusing on recently, you guys, is taking care of me and really making myself a priority. And that goes as far as plating my food, sitting down to have a nice meal, even if it's just by myself. Typically, I am cooking for Liv and making sure that she is fed, and then I'm just eating a quick bar or leftovers. And so really taking this time to make myself breakfast, make myself another cup of coffee just to sit and enjoy it before I jump into work has been really life-changing for me. So if you're a mama out there and you're not prioritizing yourself, this is your daily reminder to start making yourself a priority. You're worth it. Hello friends. Okay, so I filmed my October recap in this video. However, there was like a dog barking through the whole thing. It was a whole thing. So I wanted to just really quickly talk to you guys because October was a big month for me, and oh my goodness, so many breakthroughs, so many ups and downs in October. And so I just want to go through that with you guys really quick. In the Mind, Body, and Soul series, we're coming to the end of the year, and I just want to share with you guys like what's been going on. So October, obviously I went into my psoriatic arthritis flare. I'm actually going into week 3 of my flare. I feel like I'm finally starting to come out of it. Fingers crossed. I've worked out 2 days in a row. It is technically, today is actually November 1st. I meant to film this yesterday, but I looked like a kitty cat because it was Halloween. So I'll insert like a little clip of Halloween at the very end for you guys. But you guys, I started one-on-one business coaching with a business coach, and I am so excited. I'm launching the Holiday Survival Guide. On Friday, November 4th, the Holiday Survival Guide is going live. So if you're watching this on the 4th or after, go click the link in my bio or go click the link in the description box down below. Go get your hands on it, you guys. It is so good. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it. I signed up for a YouTube course. I played with makeup for the first time in this entire year, honestly. Like I just got out of doing makeup recently, and I have had some major realizations. One, up until this point, like this year, this doing the work from January, reading the books, doing doing the journaling, pushing myself out of my comfort zone, trying new things, doing a vision board, taking classes, I've built up a confidence in myself that I've never had before. And in the past, I would not have invested in myself to do one-on-one business coaching. I wouldn't have invested in a YouTube course. You guys, I've been on YouTube for 2 years and I'm taking Jessica Stansberry YouTube Rockstars program, you guys. I'm so excited just to learn more. And, you know, I love YouTube and I think I'm getting better at all of the fun vlogging and content, but knowing the strategies and knowing the SEO, like we aren't all good at all of those little pieces. And so you have to learn, and being open to being a beginner, being open to learning, being open to bet on myself, knowing that I can invest in myself and that I am worthy of that investment. That alone is huge for me. If you're struggling, if you know, like deep down in your soul, something would be so good for you, taking that class, investing in the coach, taking the course, even if it's just a $20 thing, a $50 thing. Like the YouTube class that I initially took was a free 5-day challenge, and then there was an option to upgrade. And in the past, there's no way I would have done that upgrade. I would have done the 5-day free. I would have gotten as much information as I possibly could have out of that free information, but I wouldn't have invested in myself. Like I wouldn't have done that small little upgrade. It was $99 to upgrade, to get a channel audit, to get one-on-one calls with this creator. And when it came up and she was like, you guys can upgrade and get this, this, and this. And I was like, yep, that's it. That's what I need. That is exactly what I need. And I'm worth that investment. And you guys, it paid off. Like my thumbnails are getting better. She helped me with the look of my channel, just things that I wouldn't have thought of, because up until this point, I have been just looking at other creators and trying to emulate what they have. And her really being able to tell me like, I love what you've got going on. I just want to see more of you. That in itself is a beautiful thing, because I got the time with her. I got to ask her so many questions, and it was just an incredible, incredible experience that I would not have had in years past. Is that making sense, you guys? So I have been doing the internal work of debunking my limiting beliefs all year and figuring out what's holding me back. Like asking myself, being honest with myself, having really hard conversations, and really just admitting to myself like what has been holding me back. And the only thing that's really been holding me back, you guys, is me. And so, you know, when I invested in this one-on-one coach, which has been on my vision board for 6 months, I've wanted to do it. And I was waiting for the right time. And then it came up, like this opportunity presented itself, and it was exactly what I wanted. And immediately the self-doubt came in. It was like, well, what if you're not good enough? What if you can't do it? You know? And thankfully I have the most incredible friends, and I reached out to one of my girlfriends and I was like, hey, this is what's going on. This is what's up. Tell me I'm being crazy, like da da da, you know, and she was like, she literally called me and was like, do it. Just do it. And I was like, you're right. I should believe in myself and invest in myself and know that I am worthy of that and that I can do it and I will succeed. And you guys, we're here. We're doing it. And serendipitously, I'm not really sure how it happened, but the day I went to invest in this business coach, you guys, my How to Be a Badass with Money by Jen Sincero was sitting on my nightstand. Liv must have been playing in my nightstand because I have several books in my nightstand, but it was just sitting there. And I was like, what? What are you doing here? And so I've actually just picked that up and I'm starting to read it again. It is so good. If you guys have not read the You Are a Badass books, I will have them linked in the description box down below. You need to read them because you are a badass. That's it. Point blank. Go read those books. They are so inspiring, so incredible, and I absolutely love them. So I'm reading How to Be a Badass with Money again, and I think it's a perfect time to be reading that at the end. Fourth quarter, baby. We're going into the last part of the year. It is so exciting. I am so excited. So the moral of the story, you guys, start doing the work. You guys, literally there is like 60 days to the end of the year. Make your vision board. We're going to be making vision boards together this month, so stay tuned. If you guys are interested in how to make a digital vision board, come along my process with me. It's coming up. Go download the holiday survival guide. Be your most confident version of yourself going through the holiday season. Stay fit and healthy and stay true to your core beliefs of what you really want throughout the holiday season. Like, don't throw everything away just because it's the holidays. You've got this. I've got your back. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned, you guys, because we are making a healthy caramel popcorn. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. Doug created the caramel sauce because he's my little mad scientist. I love that guy. He's incredible. And so he created the caramel sauce. We put it all together. It's delicious. It's divine. The recipe will be linked in the description box down below, but we're making caramel popcorn and eating it by the fire later, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, this is my favorite smoothie right now. The recipe will be listed in the description box down below, but this smoothie, you guys, has just enough pumpkin pie spice, and it is so filling, so creamy and delicious. It keeps me full for such a long time. I absolutely love it. You can absolutely add greens to this, and I normally do, but in order to get it the really pretty orange pumpkin color, we had to leave the greens out for the smoothie, but I highly recommend adding in a handful of greens. You cannot taste them at all. So delicious. I just topped mine with some coconut whipped cream and some cut up pecans, you guys. This is the best. You guys have to try it. Go tag me on Instagram. Let me know if you guys love it as much as I do. So good. Also, you guys, we had our pot roast for dinner. It was just kind of a hectic dinner, so I didn't actually film dinner. We are getting ready for popcorn right now, so let's make some popcorn.
Best popcorn ever!
This is the best popcorn ever.
I'm so snowman. Let's go!
All right, you guys, I'm going to sign off from this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This kind of turned into a what I eat in a day, like a really fun, cozy what I eat in a day. All of the delicious food. So good. Ending the night tonight with the caramel popcorn. You guys, I will leave the recipe in the description box down below. Check it out. It is so delicious. It's a very healthy version of caramel popcorn, so go check it out. So delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this was content that you guys like to see, please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really supports my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.